Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find group chat in Instagram very easily. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. So, first of course, we're going to open up the Instagram app. And if you need to find a group chat here, you'll first need to go to Conversations. After that, you'll be able to see the group chat right away. You will have it, you can see by the avatar not one person, but several people, for example, in the chat. If, for example, you have some photo in the group chat and such a feeling, as will be this correspondence with one person, and you can, for example, get lost, or you've just been in that group chat for a long time, and it takes you a long time to find him. Then you can find it by using the search bar. You can just type the name of your group chat into it, and that way you will find it. These are the very simple 2 ways you can find group chats on Instagram. I hope this video has helped you out. Subscribe to the channel, write your comments, make sure to put your likes, and see you next time.